Hey you guys, Iris here. We're gonna do a science experiment this morning. So if you wanna learn about air molecules and what happens when you heat air molecules up, stay tuned and enjoy the video. For this science experiment, you're going to need a glass plate, a pair of scissors, a lighter or matches, and a tea bag with the string attached. You're also going to need adult supervision and a clear space to work in. Use scissors to cut the tea bag open on the side attached to the string. Dump the contents into a mug to use later or add them to your compost or garden. Shape the tea bag into a cylinder and stand it up on the glass plate. Use a match or lighter to light the top of the tea bag on fire. When air is heated, the air molecules move around quickly and spread out. This makes hot air rise because it is less dense than cold air. When the tea bag is lit on fire, it heats up the air inside and around the paper to such an extent that a warm air current lifts up the lightweight tea bag. A hot air balloon works in the same way by heating up trapped air in the balloon to make it fly above the ground. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you tried this science experiment, please let me know how it went in the comment section down below. And don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another video. Have a great day.